Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Candy Crush in landscape mode. Many players find that a wider screen offers a much better view of the game board, making it easier to spot potential matches and plan their moves. This can significantly improve your strategic thinking and overall enjoyment. We will go through the simple steps to enable this feature, ensuring you get the most out of your gaming sessions. Get ready to see your favorite puzzle game in a whole new light, with a broader perspective and enhanced clarity. First, let's ensure your device is set up correctly. You will need to enable the auto-rotate feature on your phone or tablet. This setting is usually found in your device's Quick Settings panel, often accessed by swiping down from the top of the screen. Look for an icon that resembles a rotating arrow or a lock with an arrow. Make sure it is turned on. If you cannot find it there, navigate to your device's main settings menu, then Display or Accessibility, and locate the screen rotation option. This is a crucial first step. Playing Candy Crush in landscape mode offers several fantastic benefits. With a wider view, you will find it much easier to identify complex match combinations and special candy opportunities across the entire board. This expanded perspective allows for more strategic planning, giving you an edge in challenging levels. Many players also report a more comfortable and immersive experience, especially on larger tablets, as it utilizes more of the screen real estate. It truly transforms how you interact with the game, making every move feel more impactful. If you are having trouble getting Candy Crush to rotate, here are some helpful tips. First, try closing the app completely and reopening it. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor glitches. Also, ensure that the Candy Crush app itself supports landscape mode. Most modern versions do, but it is worth checking. Finally, be aware that some older devices or very outdated app versions might not fully support this feature. Keeping your app and device software updated to the latest versions is always a good practice for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.